So anyway, we're going to do a quick, really quick install of the Autobeam boot kit. Obviously these are just panels that stick to where on the left side and right side of your boot, and I think you can run this wire kind of through the weather strip as it goes around. So we're going to do a super quick install and compare this to just having a standard Autobeam little LED bulb in, and we'll see how this kind of one looks, and secondly obviously how it lights up and acts. Okay, so obviously this is, you know, during daytime, but that's currently my normal Autobeam bulb, and that's kind of how bright it is. Obviously it's only on one side of my car, I haven't got one on this side of my car, but we're going to run this. Hopefully I can run it, I'm thinking, in this weather strip. If not, I might just run it down the back, kind of round the seats up here and then in, whichever way is cleanest. But anyway, let's try it. So first things first, we're just going to pop the old bulb out, just like that. So just to show you, this is the current bulb I'm using from Autobeam. This is their blue Ranger bulbs. So that was the current bulb. See, with this new bulb it just plugs straight into here, so it'll only go one way. So as you can see, I tried plugging it in that way, it didn't work. We'll try it the other way. Oh my god, they're so bright. So if I just hold it up there, you can kind of see, I'll cover this one up, you can kind of see how bright that is compared to the one that we just had in the car. That's insanely bright. That's madness. Okay, right. Jeez. Anyway, let's unplug that for now. So let's just figure out how we can do this. So we can actually, I hope you saw me do that. So you can actually remove the bulb holder from the bulb by just twisting. So you just twist the bulb holder, slide it out. So you can get rid of that. And then I guess we could have one mounted, I'm thinking one mounted here, and then the other one, let's have a quick look at the weather strip. So it looks like I could, so if I just undone the weather strip, I wonder if I can run the wires from there and then just run it kind of down through this channel along here, and then just kind of up here somewhere just to stick. Right, let's try that. So I'll just run the wire basically just tucked underneath there. It's going to go slightly under the carpet. There we go. And down here. Under here. I'm just going to keep going all the way along. But hopefully you can see it's quite clean at the minute, and then I've got to figure out where I want the actual light itself. So anyway, we're going to carry on all the way along. I'll fit it all and I'll show you guys how it looks. Of course, just to show you guys, this is my now new setup. So I've got one boot light here, the wires themselves get fed into here, which you can reach through this hole. So that's the, you know, left side of your car. They run all the way along here, down here, up here, through here, and then once again I've done the same thing. You can get around the back of here, and I've fed all my lights into here. I've got the original light back on. I don't know if you guys can see that because of the lights obviously in the way. I just, nope, that didn't work. So got my original light housing in here, and obviously you've got two things, but you can't see any of the wires, whichever one you look at. That's wicked. So obviously I'll do like a comparison at the end of this video. Maybe we'll compare the blue performance or the blue Autobeam bulbs, we'll compare the red Autobeam bulbs, and then we'll also compare the boot light kit, so the LED panels, and then you can just see the different light outputs. Obviously the panels are going to be more because you've got two sides covered rather than obviously with the light bulbs you've only got one, so just keep that in mind when it comes to the comparison. This is the large white Autobeam normal performance bulb. So this is the small red Autobeam performance bulb. This is the boot well kit by Autobeam.